Hey girlies, welcome to a glow up video. I'm gonna do a lot of skincare stuff here and some hair care. Show you some products that I've been using and loving recently and blabber in the background most of the times as usual. So let's get started with the simple old intro. Hey girlies, welcome back to a brand new video, and you might or might not see a brand new me by the end of this video because this is a glowing up video. And personally for me, glowing up doesn't only restrict to glowing up from the outside, it also means glowing up from the inside. I have no idea if that makes sense, but yeah, that is the case with me, which is why by the end of this video you're gonna see me go from this to this beauty. You're gonna see my room go from this mess to this squeaky clean area. I've been feeling blah since quite some time now because of the whole virus situation, my leg injury and a lot of things. Life issues. I have no idea if people still do this, but who cares? So yeah, doing a little bit of skincare just really helps me boost my confidence and makes me feel good about myself. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. Let's go. Starting off, I'm going to pluck the extras of my eyebrows with this thing that I got along in my brow kit. This was a little painful, but to be honest, that's all I know to do on my own when it comes to my brows. Next, I'm going to use this Braun, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, face epilator. I use it for my upper lips. I've been using this since a year now. Also because waxing doesn't really suit my skin, it makes it all red and weird. Now I'm going to remove my nail paint which has been sitting on my nails for almost a week now. Using this nail paint remover by Nykaa. I really love this stuff. I mean, it's so convenient. So now that my nail paint is off, I'm going to file my nails. But to be honest, I don't know how to file nicely. I mean, I think of a square shaped nail and end up making it like an oval shaped wow. This filer has helped me so much. Earlier I used to use that silver color filer which wasn't really that great. But this is like a really nice filer. Like, it's sharp and also it really helps. But my nails really don't know how to behave. Sometimes they behave really nicely. Sometimes they just cut off from the end. And it's like they got real commitment issues like me, but never mind. They just cut off from like here, and then my whole, like, you have one short nail and you have all the long nails, and then you have to cut everything short because of that one annoying nail. My pampering sessions are never complete unless I have like a nice cup of cold coffee, or in case it's winters and I like hot coffee. It's just basically coffee has to be there if I'm talking about pampering. The end. Or iced coffee. I love McDonald's iced coffee. I love it. Oiling my hair religiously is something that I've started doing recently. I like to mix a few drops of castor oil with my regular old Parachute coconut oil and massage it for around 5 minutes. So I switched on my heater. So by the end of this, like, I'm done oiling my hair, I will take like a towel and dip it inside hot water and then squeeze it and put it on my head for 10 minutes. I really like to do that when I'm doing whatever skincare and all of that. I have no idea if it really does anything, because to be very honest with you, I do not see any difference before and after, but I just like doing that. This is the area where I have like really less hair. In case you can see this area and this area, I don't know why. So I always try to hide this area because I feel like I have really less hair over here. So whenever I'm doing like this partition, I really like to hide this area. I don't like it at all. It has less hair. So I already put the towel inside the hot water and I removed it and I put it on my head. And now I'm just going to change to like a bathrobe because I want to put stuff on my face and on my body. So let's go. I could have done this in the bathroom, but then the lighting wasn't good and it was looking too, so I'm just doing it here. Let's go. I changed into my bathrobe. I absolutely love this bathrobe. It's like pink. It has like hearts all over it, and I got it from like a random store. It was really cheap. I don't remember now, but I think I got it from Delhi. Anyhow, so the next thing we're gonna do is this. This is the Face Shop Smart Peeling Scrub. It leaves my skin really soft. I mean, like butter. Yeah, almost. Scrubbing is my favorite part of the process, which is why the next step also involves some scrubbing. And this time I'm going to scrub my lips. To finish this mini lip pamper session, I'm going to apply a lip balm. This is actually a lip sleeping mask. So what do we have next? A face mask. So I have two fancy masks masks with me. I don't know which one should I use. This is like the eye mask. This is a bubble sheet mask that I got for my best friend for her birthday, but I liked it so much that I got one for myself also. I ended up putting a face pack instead first. This smells so good. I think everything in Forest Essentials smells so good. So I am a big time chindi when it comes to using like good brand skincare products. I use it very little. I'm like, it should last me a really long time. I have paid a lot for it. Anyhow, I'm gonna keep it for 10 minutes now. I'm gonna remove this and then we are gonna clean up my room. So this is what my room looks right now. I need to fold my clothes. I need to put on the bed sheet and keep things wherever they belong. So let's go. Focus, baby, focus. My room looks messier because there is no bed sheet. But anyhow, I just wanted to say that this particular room is really special to me because it's like my first room in 22 years that I have all by myself. And I have designed this room, so it's always going to be special and close to my heart, no matter what. This is what the after of my room looks like. I've removed those clothes for the shoot. So earlier I used to just take a screenshot from my video and post it for my thumbnail. But recently I've started taking my thumbnail pictures really seriously. And I wanted to take a picture while I had the face pack on my face. And I forgot. So I'm just going to apply this eye mask now. I feel so much better already. And I also painted my nails. I'm all dressed up because I want to shoot now. Since all this shoot has been done on time, I think I still have some time that I can shoot another video for my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should. I make like really nice fun videos for Instagram, like outfit related. So the next few things that I'm going to show are not necessarily things that I do for like a pampering session. These are things that I do almost every single day. But I thought it'll be fun to show y'all. After applying the hair serum, I put on the Biotique toner. I never skip this step. The last step is to apply my favorite face oil. It makes my skin really soft and glowy. Anyhow, I need to get ready for a shoot now, so I thought I'll quickly get ready for the shoot and then I'll show you one final thing that I do for my glow up. Hello, sorry, two things I forgot to mention. Whenever I'm doing like a skin pamper session, I like to use this, after my shampoo I like to use this. This makes my hair really smooth and I love the smell of it. Next, instead of going for like a shower gel or like a soap, I like to go for this. It's the body scrub by M Caffeine. What I really like about this scrub is most scrubs like leave my skin like little dry. This on the other side leaves my skin very moisturized and soft, and I love scrubs that are actually scrubby and nice. So yeah, the last thing that really helps me glow from the inside is to write down all my goals and fill my planner. I've been doing this since years now. This pushes me to get back on track in terms of work, health and many other things. So yeah, this is like my first ever glow up video. Hopefully more to come, and yeah, these are just things that I like to do to glow up from the inside. Outside you've already seen. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.